Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the accidental touches on this device. Simply go to settings, tap on the option accessibility. Tap on interaction and dexterity. Simply scroll down. Here you can see the option ignore repeated touches. Tap on this one. First of all, you need to turn on this option. Now this is for the 0.2 seconds. So we can set the numbers from 0.1 to 4 seconds. Now this is only 0.2 seconds. Tap on this one. We can try it out, okay? Tap on this one. So it will take only 0.2 seconds to recognize that touch. So if you increase this one, simply I am going to increase this to 2 seconds, okay? Okay, 1 second. Try it out. You can see it take 1 second to recognize that touch. Okay, so simply in this way, that this feature helps prevent unwanted repeated taps and accidental screen touches. So simply in this way, we can fix the accidental touches on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.